Colombian Arepas. It starts with 1 cup of corn flour. We added in 1 cup of mozzarella. Take 2 tablespoons of butter, place it inside of a cup. Pop that inside your microwave for 30 seconds. What comes out is liquid gold, which you're going to pour all over that delicious dough. Start to knead it together. Start adding in water and add lots of love. Knead it until there's no more dough left on the side of the bowl. That's how you know it's ready to cook. We're then going to throw it on that griddle, medium-high heat, flip them. Only takes a few minutes. One of the most delicious breakfast foods you can have. Great with scrambled eggs. You guys are going to friggin' love this recipe. Like and subscribe.